Hello, welcome to Eric Monk's Vintage Sportsman. Welcome to part 2 of our bear archery tour. And I got a nice surprise for you at the end, so stay tuned. It's going to be fun, so come on along.
Oh wow, here we go. This is where it all happens.
This is the shipping department.
Yeah, this is the sheer size of it, but the amount they're shipping out.
We're going to be bop up here. He'll catch up. Tour guide Barbie. I'm telling you, I'm going to get a badge name.
That's it, the tour guide. Tour of all tours. Yeah, this is
So this is the shipping department. This is where it all comes out of.
this is where the magic happens.
The end process.
Of course, the world famous sign. Fred himself. To think how many times Fred walked around this building checking out his creation.
I got it right there.
Right there. Yeah, old Fred. Morning, gentlemen.
So this is our compound department.
Okay.
All the compound roads are built.
There we go. Murals on the wall. There it all gets done. I like the new camouflage. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so that's our wildfire.
Wow. That's cool. That is a cool camo pattern. Wildfire.
Cams are assembled over there.
Similar.
Lens and risers are both touched up over here.
Okay.
They're airbrushed. Right, Sammy might show you how to do it.
Oh yeah. guess that's all the. That's cool. Use. Thank you for all you do. It is much appreciated. By us that shoot these fine instruments. I miss a lot of deer with these bows. They shoot great, but my ability has to be a little bit better, but you know how it goes. Oh, it's beautiful. Just gonna let's see. And do you have, is there second shifts? How many shifts are here that run?
Just one shift.
One shift.
CNC runs 24/7, but other than that, it's just one shift.
Oh, okay. Works of art. That's the work of art right there. These are definite works of art. Now I just got to convince Neil to come out with a 57 reissue.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that. Wow, I need to have one of those. My mind says yes, my wallet says no.
Lasering.
Ah, okay.
Where all the traditional bows are packaged.
Okay.
Where we do all the silk screening on the traditional bows, and if a leather grip comes on it, this is where it's installed.
Ah,
it's also
right.
where we do all the finishing work on the takedown, such as latch installation, strike plates, and all the
Okay.
other stuff that comes with it.
Oh, awesome. So this is the final. Oh, look at this.
There's a deer back there. There sure is.
Oh, son of a gun.
No, I had 4 of them gobbling in unison every time I yelled.
If that ain't the spirit of Fred Bear, what is? A deer on the property of Bear Archery? See, Fred likes me. He says, what's that crazy guy drive all the way from New Jersey come down here? There it is.
Me and Flat stayed here for about an hour collectively. We kept coming back.
Yeah, this is... Man, this is just... This is what my house would be like if I was rich. I just have recurves everywhere. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is as sweet as it gets right there. Wow. Oh, man. That is cool. Love the Grayling green. Love it, I love it. You got it right.
Is the LES boat?
Yes, that's the LES Force.
Is those the LES Force?
Go Super Kodiaks.
Wow. Wow, look at the beauty. Beauty of those limbs. Wow, this is...
Oh, no, I was just looking. Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Oh, and there's all the latches and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I figured, but, dang.
Wow. My father would love that. All that aluminum. He'd be going nuts. Eye candy. Lots of eye candy. Where the magic happens. Oh, wow.
Developer, I'm not sure the technical term for that thing, but,
Oh, wow.
and then his sewing machine and his leather cutter.
Oh, wow.
Skyver.
Skyver.
Wow. Look at
It's a
this.
squalor, but that is what you use about pace.
Wow, that is. So this is where back in the day. Oh, man. Look at that right there. That is to die for. Wow. Property of Bear Archery. Still got that old style. Oh, man. Yeah, here we go. Wow. Property of Bear Archery. That's called the Skyver?
Skyver.
Skyver.
What you use to cut the leather grips.
Oh,
Or the
okay, yeah.
Kodiaks and any of the other bows that they came with.
Oh, yeah, I remember seeing this in the old catalogs. Phew. Man, there you go there. Wow, son of a gun. All the guys in the traditional bear archery group, they're gonna love to see this stuff. And we got the old, of course, they got the picture of Fred in the factory. I like this, the seal. And they got the factory photo. And they got another factory picture here. Oh yeah, see, there it is from the sky. That's cool. There's all cool stuff. Wow, this is unbelievable. Amount of cool stuff. Bear area. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I remember in the old catalogs, they would show them. That's how they would. Man, that's as hardcore as it gets right there. Whew. How they had to work back in the day to make these items. Wow. Cool fishing fun. Wow.
Dan used to, we did that probably 15 years ago.
See, that's the kind of stuff I do at work. Jared, thank you very much from my YouTube audience. Thanks you so much, and Jerry, appreciate it. It's awesome, man. Through the doors, the hallowed halls of Bear Archery. I wanted to say, nice to meet you.
Nice to
I
meet
have
you too.
a YouTube channel, Eric Bunk's Vintage
Okay.
Sportsman, and we
Okay.
do all bear archery, bear bows, and all kinds of hunting
Yeah.
with traditional equipment.
Uh-huh.
And I thank you for letting me do the tour.
Yeah.
And I mean, I don't know
Very
what to
good.
say. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? I remember seeing you on the cover of the catalog, 1984.
Yeah, looked a little different then, didn't
Yeah. But no,
it?
really.
I had more hair than I have now.
Yeah, me too. I had a little more hair, and yeah, I had to pay Jerry at least $300 for the tour. He said it was cash only. It was
Well, you
all
got
right.
half price then. Last guy he charged a lot more.
Yeah, that's great.
How do you think he survived?
I know. Yeah, this is it. The cash on the.
I'm gonna
side.
start this
Hey,
now.
I know some folks over here there.
I only told Neil 100, so that's all he gets.
But you make a fine product, and
Thanks.
I was here years ago when in Fred's office when it was all together, and
Yeah.
that was 2002, and I was just I mean my whole life
Yeah.
since I was a little kid was like bear archery, you gotta
Yeah.
have a bear bow and this and that, and
Cool.
But now we just got to get you to reissue the '57 Kodiak. Hint, hint.
57, huh? I'm working on some stuff, but it's not a 57 Kodiak
All
right
right.
now, though.
We're just
So-
throwing that out there.
Yeah. That's a pretty narrow grip on that.
Yeah, yeah,
So it's maple and walnut,
yeah,
and, you know, which length, the 60-inch?
yeah. The 60-inch. I love that. That was. I have one at home, and it's just nice 40 pounds.
Kind of brown glass.
Yeah, that brown glass is
Yeah.
just. I look at them. I'm just like, oh,
Yeah,
it's too much.
yeah. They're nice. They're like super lightweight too.
Yeah.
They're super skinny.
Yep.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
just not a big hook in the limb or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's got a decent hook in the limb, probably about like that. But you know, they're really narrow limbs. I mean, geez, they're probably only
Yeah.
like that at the tip.
Yeah, they're small, and it's just a neat bow because I shoot a lot. I go
Yeah.
for hunting for rabbits, and my bows that I have. I miss so many deer with them. It's great. They don't even have to worry.
Yeah.
I love shooting them. They shoot great. It's just my eyes got to get a little better.
Well, the riser in that is pretty small too.
Yeah.
I mean, the bow overall is really lightweight in the hand.
Yeah, yeah.
It's actually lighter than I think the 59. When you
Yeah.
look at the 59 has a little bit bigger riser in it
Yeah.
and everything. So
Well, I've been using the takedown for deer and stuff like
Yeah.
that. And I only sit when I film my YouTube. I sit on the ground,
Yeah.
natural brush, and I only shoot from maybe here to the wall away.
if I sit on the ground, I can't get up. So
That happens to me too. I'm getting old.
so
But I just wanted to thank you so much for your time, and means the world to me. It really
Very
does,
nice.
and I'm honored. And I just always say Bear Products
Yeah.
ready to go, man. And it's just it's such an honor.
well, thank you. I appreciate that because it's a blessing for me to have been able to work for Bear all these years and to meet people like you that are enthusiastic about some of the bows that Mr. Bear did over the years and the company that he built. And
Yeah.
it's a blessing for me to be even a part of it. So
Yeah, I
meet
say the
people
same
like
thing.
you
Hey.
in the industry.
The
so.
industry.
Yeah.
I'm on the bottom rung of the industry.
Yeah.
Nah, but you know what? I
Yeah.
do it because the way my channel's designed, it's something that everybody can relate to. I just use basic Bear bows. Sometimes I use just wool, old wool, not even brand new wool, just wool, and get out there and just try to hunt the
Yeah.
way. And
Yeah.
you know, if I don't get a deer on camera, I don't get one. It's
Yeah.
just getting out there.
Oh yeah.
And it's just, and coming from, I'm in northern New Jersey, and people don't think of New Jersey as being rural, but it's
Yeah.
such a mountainous area, and there's so many beautiful areas that it's, you would think you were in like Alaska or
Yeah.
something, you know?
You don't have to go very far to get out of the city either.
Yeah, no, you can, and everything's within distance. I mean,
Yeah.
you'd be surprised at what it looks like in northern New Jersey.
Yeah.
And, you know, and like I said, Pico Seafood, he came to my house down to visit me and stuff, and I go up there. I was actually at Fred's house up there,
Uh-huh.
and we had a campfire in the backyard, and funny enough, Pete was walking on the dock, and he fell in the water. He was up to his up to here in the water right behind Fred's house, and he's like, oh my God, I filmed it. I got it on
Oh
film.
my gosh.
Pete,
He
that's
didn't
for
have
you.
on his that muskox jacket.
No, he didn't. He actually
He never
had-
got out of the water.
No, forget it. I had to pull him out. I'm going, do you want me to help you? He's like, no, keep filming. But he had his actual Fred Bear flannel on,
Oh yeah.
which was very expensive, but he got it cleaned and it came out clean.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
But that's awesome. But I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know
Yeah.
you're a busy man, but thank you so
Thanks
much.
again.
God
Nice
bless
meeting
you.
you.
Nice to meet you too. And that's all I could say is thank you. And I love it. I always stop every year when I go to my dad's down in southern Florida. And thank you for your kindness and letting
Yeah.
me tour the
Yeah.
factory. It means the world to me. It really does. It really, just for me to even be in the hallowed halls, I'm like, this is
Yeah.
great. Made
Well,
my millennium.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you very much. God
All
bless.
right. Yep.
All right, awesome. Thank you, Jerry. Appreciate it, buddy. Hello, well, no, take two.